Mahwish from the US.
My question is it permissible to spy on children? Yani, can we put apps on their electronic devices in order to monitor what they're doing? Jazakumullahu khairan.
Wa jazakum. So Mahwish from the US says, what's the ruling on installing programs that help parents spy on their children and know what they're browsing? Spying is prohibited. Whether you're doing that over your children, your spouse, your siblings, all types of spying are prohibited in Islam. Allah stated that clearly in the Quran. وَلَا تَجَسَّسُوا. However, with the progress and the evolution of social media and the internet influx in our homes, there's nothing wrong in informing the children or the spouse that I will be installing a program that tells me what you browse, so that you have to be careful. If you go to a haram site, I'll be notified and I'll know, and then I will admonish you, or I will reprimand you, or I'll do whatever I want. So you give them a heads up. And this way, there is no spying, because you told them that you're going to do this on them, and Allah knows best.